Hello, everyone. My name is Martin. Thank you for joining us. A couple of tips that I have to help manage my stress, self-care. Um, just recently, I started to walk. I try to take advantage of my breaks and my lunch and walk a couple of times a day. That really helps me wind down a little bit, especially while I'm at work. Second is doing the lawn at home. Most of the time, the kids will help or my wife will help, but when I tell them, hey, I need this, it's because I need some time to myself. It gives me great time to think about my day, what happened, what could have been done differently if needed, and if so, approach it the next day. But that gives me a lot of time to work on myself, and not only do I get to work on myself and my thoughts, I get the yard done, and that's killing two birds with one stone, and I enjoy doing the yard, so it really helps out. Lastly, we are first-time dog owners, and you can see the smile coming, right? I love that dog. I tend to go home and I spend about a half hour with him at home. If needed, longer. Only because we need to